Good evening, hello my dear birds. Welcome to India's first animated live tuition. It's not good evening, ma'am. You should say good evening to your pole, sir, because it's biology class, you know. Yes, I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Today we have special news, my dears. Do you have any guess regarding the special news which is waiting for us? Which is waiting for all the AGCC students? Let's have a guess. Let's have a guess, my dears. Yes, I'm so happy to see your beautiful smiling faces actually. Thank you so much, my dears. Please give me warm wishes. Yeah, please nourish me with your warm wishes, my dears. Yes, good evening. Yes, I'm doing great. I'm on the moon. I'm on cloud nine. New classes, yes. It is not a special news actually. Annoyingly, I just took my new glasses. Okay, it's not about new glasses. It's about our microbial world chapter. Abel, hi Abel, how are you? I hope you are doing great. How was your day at school today? Hi. Okay, those who haven't switched on your camera yet, please switch on your camera properly. Otherwise, I will ask you questions. No school today. Okay. Emily saying that, sir, I was so happy today because I didn't go to school because of today school was because we got a holiday, right? Okay. Tell me the news. Tell me the news. Today, yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
can I blast it that?
Yes,
Shall I?
please go ahead.
Yes! Today, for giving the support, your favorite Alkaman from our biology department is here. And do you know the nickname of your Alkaman? Because our 7th GCC students, that means your junior students, are very excited and they are promoting new names for their faculties. Do you want to know the nickname for your Alkaman which has put forwarded by our juniors or your juniors or Sam GCC students?
That's the news.
That is algae man. That is algae man. You know? Now all 90 plus just changed your Alkaman name from Alkai to algae man. And for resolving all the technical queries, your favorite rinser is also there. So I welcome you all to the fabulous session of biology of 90 plus my tuition. So I will just blast the surprise. Today we are going for the YouTube live. Now we are in the YouTube. Now we are in the YouTube and you are going to the YouTube celebrities, my dear. Just say hi to our YouTube friends. Rinser's face reveal. Don't worry, I will reveal the face of your favorite rinser. Don't worry. Okay, just say hi to our YouTube friends. Yeah, now we are in the YouTube. Now we are in the air. Okay. Just comment it. If you need it, you can comment in the YouTube section as well. I hope you received the YouTube link or today's class link from your 90 plus admin or class teacher. Sir, can you send the link? Yeah, we will send you the link and it's very mandatory. You can put your own comment in the YouTube. Okay. Now we are in the YouTube. Are you excited? John, you excited, my ideas? Yes, Oral is excited. I can see the face of Oral. And who's that man? Hiba. Hiba is also excited. Every girls are excited. And what about my dear boys? Every girls are so excited. And what about my dear boys? My dear girls are super excited. Yes, Inachi is also excited. And what about Priti, Sahil, Abel, Dion? Of course we are excited from Aaron. Where is Arno? Arno. Yes, we too. I commented. Okay. Of course we are. Okay. Yeah, now we are going to the YouTube celebrities, my dears. Yeah. Those who are new joiners to this class, those who are seeing your pole surface for the first time, just give a hand raise. Just give a quick hand raise. Those who are seeing your biology sir or pole sir for the first time, just give a hand raise, my dears. Yes, sir, I want to see the hand raise. Sir, what happened to your face? Lakshya, I will reveal that because... Shall I really reveal, ma'am?
Yeah, you go ahead.
Yes, when I just reveal this news, Alchemy is like, okay, what is the need of revealing this? it's also like hating myself actually.
Food.
Alchemy is because she is very jealous about your pulsar, and she is the company of your little ma'am. She's the company of your little ma'am, and all these peoples are always roasting me. So now it's time to roast our Alchemy or Alchemy. I hope you received the YouTube link. I will tell you because whenever I was just taking your classes, at the first time of the classes, I was about 78 kilogram, and I just started my diet plan for the past 2 months ago, and I just reduced my 78 kilogram of weight into 67 kilogram without giving or without providing any physical exercise to my body. I didn't go to gym. I didn't go to any physical activities. By just controlling my diet, I just reduced around 11 kilograms within 2 months. Yes, please give an applause. I need applause. Sir, go to gym. What, seriously? Yes, Arnold, seriously. I was taking high protein rich diet. I just avoided all the packet foods, all the preservative contained foods, and all the sugar items, carbohydrate items, etc. Oh, you go. Okay, congratulations, sir. Yeah. You probably decreased your eating. No. Diet means, what do you mean by diet actually? Diet, it doesn't mean that we are decreasing our food. It just means that we are controlling our food and we are just controlling the carbohydrate and glucose amount. I just control all the carbonated beverages like Pepsi, soda, and etc. And I just cut sugar from my diet, and I just introduce high protein rich diet into my diet plan. Broccoli, avocado, boiled egg, and omelette, and cucumber. Because I'm so classic cucumber. You know that I love cucumber. Cucumber, then so many vegetables and chicken, and I just avoided all the masalas, etc. Yeah, that is the power of your pulsar. That is the power of your one of the faculty. Sir, mutton or chicken? Chicken. Sir is man actually. I'm not mutton, I'm not chicken. I love chicken actually. Sir, you don't look nice in those glasses. Why? Then can I unwear these glasses? Yes, sorry. Okay. So those are new joinees, or those who are seeing your pulsar face for the first time, just give a quick hand raise. Yes, who's that man?
Hema.
Hema. Yes, you can unmute Hema. Hema, who are you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, then just follow. Okay? Yeah, Hema, how are you? What's up?
Hema, try to remove the headset.
Yeah.
Can you unplug it? Yeah.
Miami.
Okay, just put a nice smile, my dear, on your face. I want to see your smiling face. Yeah, you got a nice smile. Okay, so where are you from, Hema?
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so I'm your sir. My name is Paul Thomas. I will be taking biology subject. We almost finished all the subject. Like even in the case of biology as well, we just finished all the chapters as well. Now we are going for the detailed studies of the microorganism front end for the chapter number 2. So I welcome you to the 90 plus family. And one thing I want to assure that you have to collect all the classes link, because every live class in the 90 plus my tuition are being under the recording. So you should collect all the record link for all the classes from your respective 90 plus my tuition admin or class teacher. They will provide all the link, and you should study and watch all videos correctly, and you should note everything as well. Okay, and next one is we will provide capsule note as well, and we already provided all the capsule notes. You should collect everything like capsule notes and all the record sessions link from today itself from your 90 plus my tuition class teacher. Okay, well, thank you. Just mention you are as well. Okay, are you excited? Don't be panic, don't worry, because I'm so cool as a cucumber. Whatever queries you have, even if in the case of technical queries, even if from the biological means concept wise queries, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Okay, because here is classroom session for classroom sessions are there, you can comment it, and whatever queries you have, Rinser is there and Alchem ma'am is there and your polls are resolved, we will resolve all the queries. At the end of the session we will be conducting doubt clearance session as well. At the time you can ask whatever doubts you have. Okay, thank you ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so welcome to our 90 plus family. Yeah, how many of you commented in the YouTube? Tell me. How many of you commented in the YouTube? Tell me. I like chicken over mutton oral because I'm also a fan of chicken oral. Me. Okay. So now we are going to study the essence of the microorganisms, friend and foe. Those who, okay, thank you so much for providing that cucumber side. Okay, so according to the NCERT textbook, the chapter number is 2 and that the chapter name is Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. Then those who are following Collins textbook or universal textbook, the chapter number is also same, that is chapter number 2, but the chapter name will be different, that will be microbial world instead of this microorganisms, friend and foe. But the concepts are very much similar. And I want to ask you a question. What we made it stop regarding this microorganism, friend and foe or microbial world in the previous session? Tell me. Comment it. Comments are very essential because I need nutrients from yourself. Yeah. Well, we made a stop regarding this chapter in our previous class. Tell me. Otherwise, I will unmute anyone. We finished viruses part. Yes, Ahmad. Yes, that's right. That's right. Adil, okay, thank you for providing that cucumber. Rest of the people, what happened to you? Are you there? Just give me a head nod. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, protozoa. That means now we just finished all the classification regarding the microorganisms. Yes, Arnav, I was just searching for you. What happened to you, Arnav? Yes, we did type of microbes. Yes, Ishan, that is right. We just finished the classification of microorganisms. Okay, welcome to our cucumber class. Welcome to our cucumber class. Okay, so Rinser is laughing. Why? Why are you laughing here? Shall we ask some question to Rinser? Because he was laughing while I am playing this cucumber dance. Shall we ask the question to our Rinser? I will give you a chance. In between the class, I will give you a chance to ask the question to your favorite Rinser.
Can you try the dance?
Yeah. I will not, okay. Yes, I will give you the chance. Alkaman is saying that this cucumber dance is nice and you have to also dance like this. You have to perform a task like this.
Maybe our students can.
Yeah, students can. You just going to finish the harmful effect of the ask Rinser to classify microorganism. Sir, are you ready? How can we classify the microorganism? Because my buds are asking question to you. Just tell any one classification regarding the microorganism. Just tell one. Okay, now we can unmute one and that person will ask question to our Rinser. Okay, who will be that?
Who is ready to ask the question?
Who is ready to answer the question? Just ask the question only from the classification of microorganisms.
Okay, Lakshya is ready. Lakshya Kumar is ready.
Yes, Lakshya. Okay. Yeah, Lakshya, just unmute yourself. Hello, Lakshya. Please place your camera properly. It is very mandatory to you. Place your camera properly. Yes, Lakshya.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
I'm on the moon actually. Are you ready to ask the question to your Rinser?
Yeah.
Just ask any classification. Yeah, you can ask.
Okay, sir. So my question is, what's the question?
What's the question?
Who invented? No. Who found macroorganisms?
Who? I didn't get it.
Who found microorganisms?
Who found
Found
microorganisms?
microorganisms.
Now just ask the question from the classification part. That's enough.
Classification part.
Classification you
Sir,
don't know?
what is virus?
Yeah, you can tell. What do you mean by virus?
What is virus?
Very easy, sir.
Yes, sir will answer. Virus. What do you mean by virus? Yeah, he will definitely say. Don't worry. He will say.
He's revising.
Yes, he is
his
revising
sentences,
he is revising. At the same time, you should also revise. I will also ask the question to you because I will give a chance to Rinsa to ask the question to my students as well. Okay? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4. Yeah, you
yes.
can.
Okay, he
Yeah.
got the chapter.
Yes, yeah. You can.
Answer is neither living nor dead.
Just say it loudly.
Yeah.
Just make it loud.
Neither living nor dead.
Did you get it? Did you hear that?
No.
Just
Oh,
make it more loud.
Come on. It's
Just make it loud. Don't worry, sir. Just make it loud.
Sir is like, come on, this is not my job.
Yeah. Yes, his answer was neither living nor dead. That is right answer. Okay. Let's give an applause. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So that's right answer. Okay, let's share. Yeah. Now we are going to deal with the functions of the microorganisms. So microorganisms, we can classify the microorganism with another classification. It's not about the exact classification. There are two types of microorganisms or two kinds of microorganisms. What are they? What are they? Tell me. There are two kinds of microorganisms according to the function they perform. According to the function they perform, we can classify the microorganism into two broader categories. Yes, Karthik, that is right answer. Harmful microorganisms as well as the useful microorganisms. So, according to the function, we can classify the microorganisms into two, but according to your textbook, exact classification consists of protozoa, some of the algae, and bacteria and fungi. In some of the classification, they might have include the viruses as well. So there are two kinds of microorganisms. The first is the useful microorganisms and second one is harmful microorganisms. Under the category of these useful microorganisms, we will be studying or revising the concepts regarding the most functions or most usefulness which are provided by our microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, etc. And when it comes to the harmful microorganisms like viruses and some of the extreme bacteria which may cause some diseases even in animal, plants and human beings. So such kinds of diseases and microorganisms which are responsible for this kind of harmfulness we will be discussing under this category. That means here now we are going to deal with the essence of this chapter. The first is useful microorganism. That means microorganisms as friend. And here in the second category, we will be dealing with microorganisms as a villain or foe. So this is the exact essential of our chapter heading, microorganisms as friend and foe. I hope it is clear. While I am explaining everything, it is your duty to write all the points. Otherwise, you can take the screenshot as well. Arna, what happened to you, my dear? Where is Inakshi? Where is Shiva, Abu, Hida? Everyone is here, right? Chenita, Karthik, Abhika. Yes, Inakshi. Okay. Do you remember the thing that I told you in the last class, Inakshi? Ahmad, okay. Big Kumar. Okay. Four means villain, something like that. Okay? I hope it is clear. Now we are going to deal with the useful microorganism. There are three kinds of usefulness by these microorganisms. The first is in the food industry and second one is related to medicine and third one is related to the agriculture. The first one is food industry and in this category we will be dealing with the microorganisms which are used in the food industry. And under the second category we will be dealing with the medicine cases. That means some of the medicines are prepared by the help of some of the microorganisms. In this second session, we will be dealing with the microorganisms which are responsible for making some medicines. And third one is agriculture. So we will be dealing with how the microorganisms are related to the agricultural activities. Yes. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for the discussion? Are you ready for the discussion? So under this category of the food, First, there are three categories we will be dealing with. Making of curd. Making of curd. And second one is making of bread, idli, dosha, etc. I love, I love, I love idli and dosha. And what about yours? I love idli and dosha. And what about yours? Same? Yeah, only dosha from Sahil. Okay, idli and sambar. Okay, beef. Okay. Me like appam from Joshua. Yeah. Protozoa? You like protozoa? What kind of comment is this, my dear? Dosha, do you have any previous experience? Indian dosha and Tamil Nadu sambar. Yeah, that's the best combo. Lactobacillus milk. Okay, from Delhi. One technically East, okay? I like bread, idli, and yes. Why is everyone eating me? Dosha. Yeah. Amoeba best snack. Okay. From where did you got the amoeba? From where did you got the amoeba? No? Dosha. Yeah. And third category will be making or production of alcoholic beverages. Okay, so under the category of food industry and the usefulness of microorganism in the food industry, we will be dealing with three subtopics. That is, microorganism is used to make the curd, and which are the microorganisms which are type of the microorganisms which are used to make bread, idli, dosha, etc., and type of microorganisms which are used to make alcoholic beverages. And under the category of medicine, we will be dealing with microorganism which is used to make or making of medicines, like it's not medicine, antibiotic actually, making of antibiotics, and that is the first one. And second one will be making of vaccines. Okay, so under the category of medicine, we will be dealing with two subtopics, or two subcategories. That means microorganisms which are used to make the antibiotics, and as well as the microorganisms which are used to make vaccines. Under the category of agriculture, we will be dealing with microorganisms in the clearance of environment. The clearance of environment. And second one will be increasing soil fertility. So these are the things we should complete today itself. We had to complete all this topic today itself. How beautiful my handwriting is. Don't you think so? Do you think so?
No.
Don't you think? Superb. Yeah, it's good. Because this Alchemist is always jealous about your pollster, you know. She's jealous about me. I used to say my 8 GCC students are with me and they will beat you. You can do better. Just delete that comment. Look like algae your handwriting. Okay, super. Okay. So I'm actually allergic to yeast. Looks like algae. Definitely someone can be jealous of you, sir. Yes, I know, Inakshi. Because this crazy lady is always jealous about me. Yeah, I hope you write this. I hope you wrote this actually. Now we are moving on to the discussion of microorganisms which are used in the food industry. So now we just introduce all this heading. And I will tell you what you mean by the class. Don't worry. And we have just introduced all this subheading under the category of food industry. Can I tell the making of curds? I will give you the chance. Don't worry. Okay. So now we are moving on to the first topic under the category of food industry, that is formation or making of curd. Sir, please play the animation. Please play the first animation. Please play the first animation, my dear sir. He is one of the handsome. technical department. So now we are moving on to the discussion of this microorganism. Do you know any idea regarding this microorganisms? Do you know any idea regarding this microorganism? Now we have a topic regarding this microorganism. Now we are going to talk about the making of or formation of curd. We need this microorganism for making or forming the curd, and the name of this microorganism is lactobacillus. It's not yeast, it's bacteria, lactobacillus. So now we are moving on to the discussion of lactobacillus, capital L A C T O B A C I L L U S. Lactobacillus. So now we are moving on to the discussion of lactobacillus, which are involved in the formation or making of the curd. Okay, so just play the second animation. Just play the second animation. Yeah, now just wait for the second animation. Don't worry, sir is preparing for showing that. Yeah. Sir, go to spelling again. Capital L A
No. They said go to spelling bee.
B.
Competition.
Okay. Go to spelling competition. Okay. Yeah. Now we know that milk contain a specific sugar molecule called lactose sugar. So here we go with our milk. In this milk contain a specific sugar molecule called lactose sugar. Lactose sugar, capital Lactose, lactose sugar. So when this milk exposed with our lactobacillus bacteria, sir, you can. When this milk exposed with this lactobacillus bacteria, some chemical reaction happens. What are they? I will tell you. This lactobacillus bacteria, when enter into the milk, they will react with the sugar molecule, that is lactose sugar, present in the milk. And what they do, I will tell you that this lactobacillus bacteria give a chemical reaction or form a chemical reaction with lactose sugar, and they form this milk as more acidic medium by the production of lactic acid. Okay, finally this lactic acid produced in the milk will combine with one of the protein present in the milk, that is called casein. It's casein. Okay, so just pronounce it as casein. So when this lactic acid formed, this lactic acid combined with the protein called casein present in the milk and alter the structure of this casein protein. Finally, we get curd. I will tell you the spelling of the curd I will tell you the spelling of that casein. Don't worry. Okay, I hope you got it. How many of you received the concepts well? Tell me. Yes, I am. I will tell you, don't worry. Because we have a slide regarding that. Okay. So, those who have understood these concepts very clear, please give me thumbs up. Please give me cucumber. Please give me cucumber symbol in the comment section. Please give me cucumber symbol in the comment section. Yeah, most of the people got it. Okay. So this is, you can take the screenshot of this. You can take the screenshot of this slide as well. I will pause. Yeah. I will give a pause. You can take the screenshot. Okay. Took screenshot. Okay. So yeah, just yeah, you can. Then we can explain again that it's not. No. We are not going to end the session. Don't be happy. Okay. Okay. So formation of curd. Yeah, we just discussed all the concepts regarding this formation of curd. This is how milk look like, and this is how curd look like. Now we are going to deal with some of the points as well. Class is not over, Arnav, because your person is here. We need to talk a lot of things. I got happiness for a second. Hey, but that means you're entirely saying that you don't like the classes of Paul, sir. right? I got it, Abel. I will not talk to you again. I will not talk to you. I will not. We can remove the friend list, right, ma'am? I will not
Please
talk to you.
explain, not
No,
like that.
I will not talk to you. I will not talk to you.
Oh, he's crying now.
Okay. No. So this is how lactobacillus bacteria look like. Now I am in the world of lactobacillus bacteria. Abel in my class. Adil. Adil and Abel. Are you friends? Are you studying in a similar class? Adil is saying that Abel is in my class.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Reveal the classmates. So, in the formation of the curd, the protein casein, casein, casein present in the milk coagulate to form curd. I will tell you. Milk contain lactose sugar, and when this milk exposed to lactobacillus bacteria, this lactose sugar converted into acidic condition, and that will leads to the formation of lactic acid. So there is a protein called casein present in our milk. So after the formation of this lactic acid, the lactobacillus bacteria makes the milk acidic. Because of this acidic action, this lactic acid will form a chemical reaction with this casein protein, and finally the protein structure get altered. 1 minute. Get altered. Finally, the coagulation of the protein will happen. Finally, the coagulation happens and there will be the formation of curd. I hope it is very clear. Right? If it is clear, please, in between the class, Sohail is eating something. Please give me that. I saw you. You are eating something, right?
You're on diet, right?
I'm on diet.
What kind of diet is that?
This kind of diet is called eating diet. Okay? This kind of diet is called eating diet. Okay? Not only Adil, Regan, Ahmad, Abdullah is also my classmates, and also Sohail, but not classmate, friend. There are so many friends and classmates, right, man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope it is very, very clear. Where is Dion? I hope it is very, very clear. I saw you, Sohail. Okay. So, what this process is called? The process by which any of the microorganisms convert any of the sugar molecules whether into acid or into alcohol is simply called the fermentation process. And this is very, very important. The fermentation can be defined as a process by which any of the microorganism convert any of the sugar molecules whether into acid or into an alcohol is simply termed fermentation. Take the screenshot, otherwise you should write all the things. You won't believe, sir, I'm eating cucumber right now. Please show that cucumber, Aurel. Please show that cucumber on the screen. Please show that cucumber on the screen. I didn't see that. Okay. Who's that? At least can I tell the next one, sir? Who's that, man? The middle chat box? Sorry, finished it.
That's Vishnu.
Vishnuvardhan. I'll get back to you, Vishnuvardhan. Don't worry. Okay. So next we are going to deal with the second category or second subdivision of our food industry, that is making bread, doshas, idlis, and dokulas by the use of our microorganisms. Okay. Here is our bread. Here is my favorite, that is idli, and this is dosha, and this is dokla. Okay. So now we are going to deal with the microorganisms which are used to make the bread, doshas, idlis, and doklas. Dosha is looking like a wow. Okay. Amen. You are so elegant, you are so beautiful and looking like a wow. Can you show the previous slide? Okay. 1 minute. Take the screenshot. Dokla greater, dosha greater than, dokla greater than, bread greater than, idli. From Arna. Okay. This one, oral? Sir, you are really a real sadist. Yes, I know that. Did you watch some of my reels? Sir, you deserve to get cancelled for saying just looking like it. Wow. We are going for the YouTube live. Everyone is watching. Okay? You have to be very careful. Did already. Okay. Yeah. Sir, just play that animation again. I know you are the fans of Little Ma'am. You don't like me. What to do? I can't do anything. I'm so poor, man. I'm so cool as a cucumber. Anyway, what to do? I don't have any here. Okay. So, yeah, let's have a look here. Let's have a look here. Now we are going. Yeah, what's this? What's this? What is this? Rinsar is also saying that what is this? It's food, bread. So now we will be dealing with how the buds are made by the usage of these microorganisms. And next one is, sir? Next one is bread croissant. Yes, Vishnu. Yeah, cinnamon bun. Yeah, might be chocolate croissant. Okay, just yeah, sir. You can play the next one. Yeah, now we will be dealing with how the microorganisms are used in the formation of bread and idli and dosha. We will be dealing with how can we make idli, dosha and this bread by the usage of microorganisms. Yes, sir. You can. Yeah, you can. Yeah. The third one, sir. So again, the thank you slide. Oh, what's happening there? I can't understand this. Okay, so yeah, yeast is commonly used for preparing food items. Like here is our yeast, and yeast is a fungus. You know that yeast is a fungi or fungus. Okay, so yeast is commonly used to prepare food items such as bread, cake, and idli, dosha, etc. Okay, just write the point. And dhola is also there. Arnav is saying that, sir, even the PowerPoint doesn't want you to teach us. It wants you to end the session. Don't worry, Arnav. I will not be there after 2 weeks. I will not be there for teaching you biology after 2 weeks. Alka ma'am will be there and she will be dealing with subject. Because Arnav broke my heart.
Actually, Arnav is heartbroken today.
Why?
Did you see the comment?
Yeah.
It was his last class today
Why?
in the school. I don't know why he said that.
In the school.
Yeah, he
What?
said it was his last class and that's why he's heartbroken.
Okay, yeah, Alka ma'am will teach you, don't worry.
I don't think so, guys.
Yes, Alka ma'am will teach you. No, don't worry. I know you don't like me. It's okay. I don't have any problem. Anyway, after 2 weeks, I will not be there for teaching you biology. Okay. So, sir, go from next week itself. Yeah, don't worry. I'm not just making fun. I'm really telling the truth. Yeah, he will let you know the status of your poll, sir, after 2 weeks.
You're making them sad, sir.
No.
Why are you doing this?
Obviously no. Obviously no. In fact, let her teach us now only. Now it's not possible. After 2 weeks, she will be.
Arnav is completely heartbroken. He's so frustrated.
He's getting that frustrated on my mind, in
Yeah.
my mind.
On you.
I'm leaving after you leave. No,
Wow.
nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Yeah, I know. I was just making fun actually. I was just making fun. I will be there. I was just making fun. I was just making fun. It was just for a fun, my dears. Because Arnav broken my heart, you know. He's giving so much of pressure on the head of your pulsar, you know. I didn't
So
expect
you
this.
have to
I didn't expect this comment from my dear Arnav.
accept his situation, okay?
Adil, I will show you the last line. Okay. Sir, why are you being dramatic? Okay. I was just making fun. Okay. So, yeast. You can see yeast reproduce rapidly and produce carbon dioxide or CO2 during respiration. That means when the dough are prepared, when we are allow it to stay over a night or 12 to 14 hours of time, there will be the increasing of volume in this dough by the production of CO2 during the respiration of yeast. Okay, so bubbles of the gases fill the dough and increases its volume. So this is the major basis for the use of yeast in the industry of baking for making breads, pastries and cakes. Okay, just pin down now, man. Just pin down now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So bacteria are also involved in the making of the any of the cheeses, pickles, and many other food items as well. And combination of bacteria and yeast are also helpful for the fermentation of. We already discussed about the rice, idlis, doshas, and doklas batters as well. So the major principle is that when we are introducing back whether it is bacteria or yeast, dough will be by the activity of this bacteria and yeast, there will be respiration will happens, and due to that respiration there will be the production of, in some of the dough there will be the production of alcohol, and in some of the dough there will be the production of acids, and in some of the dough there will be the, along with that there will be the production of carbon dioxide as well. And carbon dioxide, when the high amount of carbon dioxide being produced, there will be the bubbling of the gases and it increases the volume of the dough. Please unmute Arnav. Take the screenshot of the slides, just write down these points as well. Hello, what happened?
How are you?
You broke my heart.
How are you, sir?
No, I'm not fine.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Thank you. Sir, how's Alexander?
How?
Come on.
Yeah, you can talk to Alkamam, I don't have any problem.
Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm doing
Okay.
great.
You have to be very familiar with the kids.
How are you
Good,
doing?
good.
How you feeling, Arnav? What's going on?
I'm doing very nice.
Yeah.
My last day of class, I went like winter vacation. I'm not leaving school.
Ah, okay, fine. It's before the vacation.
I've been there 10 years now. Now there's no point leaving.
Okay.
So, sir, very sad.
I'm not sad, my other kids are with me, so I'm happy because they are with me.
Somebody is dramatic today.
Yeah, somebody's dramatic warning, sir in depression. No, because my all the students are supporting me except one. I don't have any problem. Because most of the students are with me, right? Just give me heart symbol. Just give me red heart symbol. Those who are supporting your poll, sir. Yeah, you can.
Oh, they're heartbroken.
Yes, Ahmad, Inakshi, Karthik. Okay, Abu, Abel. Yeah.
Too many hearts for you.
Yes, too many hearts for that's all. That's enough. Enough that. That's only I need.
Yeah, I think there's heartbreak also.
Yeah.
Heartbreak also.
Heartbreak. That's from your side, right? That was from your side.
No, sir.
I didn't get it.
I don't know, sir. You have to check first because
You had to check.
you have to check.
I didn't get it, man.
No, I didn't get it too.
Please make it louder, Anna.
Sir, you said it's from you, so I said no, it's not from me. You have to check who it is from.
Did you get it?
No, I don't
Yes,
know.
just forget it. Forget it.
He's trying to say something.
Just comment it, Anna. Just comment it because your voice is not clear.
Right now, sir.
Yeah.
Right now.
I'm not tired. I'm not tired. Exactly he wants to talk with me. That's why he was making such kind of comments actually. I can understand that because I'm your tutor. I can understand that.
Yes, sir. We want attention, sir.
Yeah, I know that because I know that. That's why I just pinned you. That's why I just asked our Alka ma'am to unmute you because you need my attention. That's why you were saying such kind of comments, right? Okay.
Sir, we wait for your 2 marks class every week.
Little man.
In the 2 marks class, we say, yeah, in the 2 marks class, we say false.
False, sorry. I got it because Little man was so sad that sir, Anu and other students are supporting you. They are not supporting me. They love you, sir. Today also because when she was taking classes for the 12th standard student before entering to the studio, before entering to classes, she was saying that just say my regards to our 8 GCC students, but they don't like me. I think they don't like me, but they like you. They like you. They always want to talk with you. They always saying everything about you while Little ma'am is taking classes. but our faculties are just enjoying that moment. Perfect, because I love you, everyone.
Yeah, we don't have math this week. We don't have math this week.
Yeah, because I just took that hour from the little ma'am. I just say to little ma'am that don't take mathematics hour for this week. I need the biology hour for my dear students. So you have to go back.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, it's fine. No. Now we can get in touch with our topic. The third topic under the category of food industry is that making alcoholic beverages. And yeast is this major special microorganism which are used to make the alcoholic beverages. That means yeast is also widely used in making alcoholic drinks such as wines, beers, and the major process which is going to happen while making the alcoholic beverages is the fermentation. In this process, yeast ferment the sugar to form yeast ferment the sugar to form alcohol. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Sir, just play that animation again. We need that animation. Yes, just play that animation. Sir, like little ma'am, but I don't. Okay. Yes, this one. Yes, sir. So just identify these beverages. What this? Just identify these beverages. Don't try this. It will be injuries to our health. Yes, beer. Yeah, beer. Now we are going to deal with how the beer alcoholic beverages are making by the help of our microorganisms like yeast. And next one is, sir? Just play the next one. Yeah, here is beer. I just took the beer. Now we are going to deal with how this beer and alcoholic beverages are made from our microorganisms. Can you teach where and now to get it? Beer or alcoholic beverages? That's not allowed. That would be injuries to our health. That will make so much of injuries to our health. Yeah. Don't, because this is just for our study purpose, don't try this kind of drinks because that will make you more weakened and that will also affect our nervous system and that will also distract our nervous system and that will decreases the rate of nerves impulses and their transmission as well. Okay. Yes, sir. Just yeah. Now we are moving on to the next point. Yeah, 1 minute. Now we are moving on to the next point regarding our beverages. Okay. So yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For these purposes, yeast are grown on natural sugars. Natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, etc. That's how we make alcoholic beverages using yeast commercially. Yes, yeast commercially. Yeah, take the screenshot, otherwise you just write. Do you drink beer, sir? No. No or else. Yes, grapes for wine. No, it's not grapes. Different fruits are used for making wine. Especially major peoples are using grapes for wine. No, no and no. Okay, Vishnuvardhan. Just pin Vishnuvardhan as well. So the next topic is microorganisms are also used for the large scale production of alcohol, wine, and even the acetic acid as well. Acetic acid, and diluted form of the acetic acid is simply called vinegar. Our moms used to include vinegar in some of our dishes as well. That is a diluted form of acetic acid. For the large scale production of, even if it is alcohol, wine, and acetic acid or vinegar, we will also use microorganisms. Yeah, even in the pickle as well. Yeah. So now we are moving on to, yeah, 1 minute. Who's this? Do you have any idea regarding this? Louis uncle? No, it's Rin's uncle. It's Manoj uncle. Whether it is Manoj uncle, Rin's uncle, Louis uncle, Arnav uncle, or Karthik uncle, Ahmad uncle, Elvin uncle. Old man. Yes, it's Louis Pasteur who discovered the fermentation process in 1857, and his name is very important, and the process he discovered is also very, very important. Louis Pasteur was a scientist who discovered the fermentation process in 1857. Okay, just write down this point. Now we are moving on to the medicine category. Now we just finished the uses of the microorganisms under the category of food industry. Now we are going to the second subdivision category, that is medicine industry. And under the category of medicine, we will be dealing with making of antibiotics using microorganisms, as well as the making of vaccines using the microorganisms. And we need to discuss all these things. So just play that animation. Yeah, just play that animation, sir. Yeah, pasteurization. Wow, that was a quick. Okay, Okay. So I will tell you, these are the antibiotics or any of the drugs. Don't use this kind of drugs or antibiotics until unless it is prescribed by a doctor or a physician. Because specific dose is needed and specific calculations is also needed. If you are taking according to your own prescription, that will also ruin your health. Okay? So don't take antibiotics until unless it is prescribed by our medical professional. Those who missed the slides, I will give you the slides at the end of the session, don't worry. Okay, so just play that next animation, sir. Which one then the next? Is that vaccine? Yeah, that's not needed. Okay, now we can discuss about the making of antibiotics. Yeah, so making of antibiotics. Different kinds of microorganisms are used to make antibiotics. What do you mean by ant and what do you mean by biotics? Ant is a negative term and biotic means biotic organisms. Biotic organisms. Okay, what do you mean by biotic organisms? Vishnuvardhan, don't worry. I will give you the slides when I finish this class. Okay? Yeah. So, what do you mean by biotic organisms? Biotic organisms are living organisms. Anti means the negative sentence. That means the medicines which are used to distract these biotic organisms or to kill the biotic organisms are simply called antibiotics. Majorly which is used to distract the bacteria like microorganisms. Okay, so antibiotics means these are the medications or drugs which are used to distract or kill the biotic organisms. And fungi and bacteria are used to prepare such kind of medicines like antibiotics. And antibiotics will treat disease, different kinds of diseases in humans and even animals or even plants as well. Okay, I hope it is clear. And who is this? Who is this? Is this your pulsar? Is this your pulsar? Rinser? Yeah. Dr. Fleming? No. Is this Joshua? Is this Halimandu? Is this Nave? Is this Avika? Is this Tejas? Is this Vishnuvardan? All the pulsar? Alexander Plum. Who's that? Alexander Plum. Nice comment ever. Alexander Plum. And then put some apple, mango, avocado, cucumber as well. Alexander apple, Alexander cucumber, Alexander avocado. Alexander Plum. Quote of the day. Isaac Alda Norton. What is that? Okay. So here is our Louis Pasteur, who invented or discovered the first antibiotic, and name of the first antibiotic was penicillin, and it was accidentally discovered by this Alexander Fleming. Why I just mentioned it as accidentally discovered, I will give you the story and I will tell you the story. And Alexander Fleming accidentally discovered this penicillin, that was the first antibiotic, by using a fungus organism. A fungus organism called penicillium. Penicillium. Okay. So penicillium and some other common antibiotics are streptomycin and oxytetracycline. Okay, I will tell you the story. I will tell you the story. Okay, the story was Alexander Fleming was a great biologist and he was doing some experiment. Just have a look here. Just hear my voice carefully. I will ask you a question. So he was doing some experiment using so many bacteria. That means he had a separate laboratory room and he had a separate research room. In that room, he was engaged in so much of biotic experiments and he was just culturing. He was just growing or culturing some of the microorganisms in petri dishes. In petri dish is one of the material which is used to culture or grow our microorganism. So he was just growing different microorganisms like bacteria in different petri dishes, and he was like he want to take some break from the experiment, and he just planned for a trip. But the major mistake he was done was he just closed the lid of every bacterial culture except 2 or 3. And by mistake, he was done that. Then he just went to outing or traveling. And after 2 or 3 days of outing, he was so surprised and he just opened the door of laboratory or research lab. He was so upset. Why? While seeing the culture of microorganism, he was so upset. Why? Just like you today. He was so upset because by mistake, he just forgot to close the lid of 2 or 3 bacterial culture. In that bacterial culture, some of the fungus came and attacked that bacteria. He was like, okay, he was so depressed. He was so depressed at that time, but he got an idea that, okay, fungi just attack the bacteria. That means fungi have the ability to attack the bacteria or to destruct the bacteria or to kill the bacteria. And he got the point that, okay, now we can produce some antibiotics by using that specific fungus. And he got the accidental discovery of the first antibiotic named penicillin. If we were placed at that position of the Alexander Fleming, we would have been like, okay, okay, 2 or 3 cultures were lost, it's not a problem, just throw that culture away, we have the rest of the cultures, we can do the experiment with that culture. We would have do like that, right? Yes, every people are saying that, no, you are trying so hard with to your poll, sir. Yes. Yeah, this was the story, and this is all about that story. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was working on a culture of disease-causing bacteria. Suddenly, he just found spores of a little green mold in one of his culture plates, and he observed that the presence of mold prevented the growth of bacteria. And in fact, it also killed many of this bacteria. From this mold, the first antibiotic, penicillin, was prepared by our Alexander Fleming. I will also formulate one drug in one day. And your children or your kids may get the chance to study the name of Paul Sir in his or her textbook, and you will say that, okay, Paul Sir taught us, okay, he was the person who discovered this bacteria or who discovered this kind of drugs. He was our tutor when I was in 8th grade. You will definitely say that to your children. Yes, do you have any confusion on that?
No.
Okay. You will definitely say to your children.
Yeah.
No one is responding. What kind of attitude is this? What kind of behavior is this? What kind of behavior is this, my dears? What kind of behavior is this? I can't understand. Sir, motivational speech from Ahmed. Are you there? Are you there? In the textbook, okay, so making vaccine. Now we are going to deal with the vaccines. So vaccines is a substance that is introduced into our body to stimulate the body's immune responses. That is called vaccines actually. What do you mean by vaccine? So vaccine is given to prevent infectious diseases actually from developing and persons becoming ill. So vaccines are made from different kinds of microorganisms, and different microorganisms used, whether it is in the form of dead or inactive status or attenuated form, that cannot cause diseases. Such kind of inactive or dead form of microbes microbes will be used for making the vaccines, and these vaccines will be injected to our body. And once this inactivated form of protein or dead, so it's not inactivated form of protein, any of the protein produced by the microorganism or inactivated microbes or dead microbes, it reaches into our body, our body just recognize it as a specific antigens, and to that specific antigens our body will produce some of the proteins called antibodies, and that antibodies will be preserved in our body while we get an infection regarding that exact microorganisms again. If that healthy microorganisms attacking us, our antibody produced will get an immune response, or they will get a memory response, and they will attack that living microorganisms. Okay, that is the basic principles of vaccines. Vaccine contain disease causing microbes that are either dead or weakened to prohibit any diseases. Yeah. So who is this? Edward Jenner is a person or scientist who discovered the vaccines for smallpox in 1798. Okay. And next one is vaccine or immunization. We just discussed about this, because when a vaccine is introduced, vaccine can be introduced by injection or by swallowing into the body of any of the person. Specific antibodies are produced in the body to counter the effect of these dead or weakened microbes. I just described all this point. Antibodies remain in the body and they will provide a memory response to protect our body from the disease causing microbes. And vaccine also offer protection against different varieties of diseases like tuberculosis, hepatitis, polio, and diphtheria. Okay, take the screenshot, otherwise write this point. Here, majorly yeast and bacteria are rich in certain or vitamins like multivitamins, and they are widely used in making medicines like insulin hormones. Insulin hormones are used to treat diabetic patients, can also be produced by using certain bacteria through genetic engineering. Yeah, take the screenshot. So, antibiotics can also be used for our animals and even plants to control their diseases as well. Okay. And I already discussed about this antigen and antibody. Any of the foreign substances which induce an immune response in our human body or animal body or plant body is simply called the antigen. The response is usually manifested by the production of specific proteins called antibodies by our body in order to fight off that antigens. Antigen can be any of the dust, particle, and microbes, etc. Even pollen grain. Even pollen grain can also be an antigen. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. Sir, just play that animation regarding our vaccine. So, yeah. Yes, here is the vaccine. Here is the animation regarding our vaccine. Yeah, here is the vaccine. We have to take vaccines mandatorily. Because if you are not taking the basic vaccines, that will also lead to the dramatic conditions in our body, and that will also may lead to deadly conditions as well. We have a word brain teaser. Yeah, before that I have to finish the topic. If I get a chance, I will conduct the word brain teaser. Okay, so I have found out that. Yes sir, just play quick. Okay, so please take the vaccine for our good health and stay home, save lives. It was a major cause when we just exposed to our COVID-19 pandemic situations. Okay, so just what is the role of this vaccine? Vaccine fight our microorganisms and kill our microorganisms by providing enough immune responses in our body. Now we just, okay, now this vaccine is going to kill me. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the functions, or this is how vaccines work like. Yes, sir. Ma'am, just scroll down. Again, this thank you slide. Why this thank you slide? I can't understand. So now we are moving on to the discussion of the last topic discussion. Pole 90 plus is greater than COVID-19. Do you think so? Pole 90 plus is greater than COVID-19. Yes, Ahmad, there is a vaccine shot for every newborn baby. Okay, so first we need to discuss under the category of agriculture, that is increasing soil fertility, and second will be cleaning the environment. These are the two topics for our today's discussion. After that we can wind up the session. So first we are going to discuss about increasing the soil fertility. So we know NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium both are very essential nutrients which are needed for the growth of the plants. So amount of nitrogen present in the soil, even in the form of nitrates or nitrates, hugely affect the health of soil fertility. So there are specific biological nitrogen fixers. What I mean by biological nitrogen fixers? These are the microorganisms that convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate, nitrites or ammonia and increases the soil fertility. So this process are carried out by the biological nitrogen fixers like organisms. Now we are moving on to the discussion of biological nitrogen fixers. Okay, so here are certain bacteria and algae are also involved under the category of nitrogen fixers. The first here is Nitrobacter. and it is a bacteria. And second one, you can see the rhizobian bacteria, which are usually present at the tip of the leguminous plants like gram, pea, etc. And now you can see blue-green algae. Blue-green algae or bacteria. Okay. Okay, so next is another type of algae which are called nitrogen, sorry, it's not nitrogen, it's nostoc, sorry. So next we have the discussion regarding one of the algae, that is nostoc, and these are called nostoc, rhizobium, and blue-green algae and nitrobacter, which are commonly known as nitrogen fixers or biological nitrogen fixers, which used to fix the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates, or in the form of ammonia. So the second one is cleaning the environment. Okay, so some of the microbes are used to keep our environment naturally clean by decomposing dead and decaying matter. We know that most of the dead and decaying matters are cleaned up by the action of microorganisms or decomposers, and they will release some of the nutrients into our by breaking down of the dead and decaying matter. They will release nutrients into the soil, and then the nutrient recycle will be replenished. And decomposing substances are reused from the soil by plants and thus recycled. So these are the process. When this are added to the wastewater, they get involved in certain chemical reactions. As a result, they will produce enzymes and clean the fresh water. This is very important point. And bacteria can be whether aerobic and anaerobic. What do you mean by aerobic bacteria? If bacteria need oxygen for performing their activities, that is called aerobic bacteria. If microorganism doesn't need oxygen for carrying their functional activities, that is called anaerobic bacteria. So the bacteria break down many plant and animal waste to produce biogas. This point is also very important. Biogas plants are using this principle, and biogas formed as a byproduct which can be used as a cooking gas for lightening the houses especially in remote areas. Okay, take the screenshot. So in addition to this process, there are some other functions also from our microorganism microorganisms are usually used to, apart from these functions, microorganisms are used to separating the fibers of some plants, and there are eco-friendly pesticides like I think you heard about BT brinjal, something like that. And these are eco-friendly pesticides, mostly eco-friendly pesticides, genetically modified brinjal, which contain a bacteria called Bacillus thuringiensis, and which distract the possible pest of this plant. Okay, and some of the genetic engineering process, microorganisms are used, and they are also involved in extraction of copper and production of perfumes, ethanol, steroids. Now we just finished our, sir, I want to see the comments. Now we just finished our today's session. In the next session, we will be dealing with harmful microorganisms. So these are today's exercise questions. The first exercise question and followed by the second exercise questions. Do you need brain teaser? Those who need brain teaser, just give a hand raise. Those who need a brain teaser, just give me a hand raise. Okay, so how many people are there? Just take the screenshot of the slide. Yeah. Here is the brain teaser. What can you put in a bucket to make it weight less? Just give the answer. Just call Sahil, ma'am. Just call the Sahil. Hema, don't worry. I will after the completion of the exam, I will show you all the slides. Don't worry. Just call. Yeah, Sahil. Tell me the answer. What can you put in a bucket to make it weightless? Nothing? That's your answer. Okay. Now we can go for another answer as well, Vishnuvardhan. You can tell me. What can you put in a bucket to make it weightless? Halimadu, that is right. Halimadu, that is right. Vishnu Vardhan, are you listening there?
Sorry, I unmuted some other Vishnu. I unmuted Vishnu Narayan.
Okay. Vishnu Vardhan, please unmute yourself. Do you know I got the customized bottle?
Come on.
Yeah,
boss.
I got the customized bottle. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Tell me the answer. What can you put in a bucket to make it weightless? Just see my customized bottle. Thank you. Okay. Hey boys,
Is it, can,
you are not getting answers right. Now I will call girls. Girls, how many of you are eagerly waiting to answer this question?
Right.
I didn't get it.
I almost got it.
You got it? Tell me the answer.
A minute.
Can we ask Vishnu Narayan?
Yes, we can call Vishnu Narayan as well. We can give a chance to Vishnu Narayan.
Yeah.
Vishnu Narayan, tell me the answer. Girls, you have to be very ready. Yeah, tell me the answer.
Is it light?
I didn't get it. Plastic?
Light. Is it light?
No. It's not light. If you're putting light, if you want to put light, something is needed. That is the answer. Okay, who's
Abhika, let's ask Abhika.
Abhika? Just call Abhika. Now I'm calling girls. Yeah, girls, tell me. Because boys, Jazz, they didn't get the answer.
Is it a hole?
Are you sure?
I think, yeah.
If I'm saying that your answer is wrong, then how would you respond?
It can't. What else can you put, sir? Then you will have to say the answer.
Okay, now we can go for the Now we can go for what's that? Now we can go for helpline. Okay, just I will call Halimadu as well. Halimadu, just unmute and just give me helpline. Just provide a helpline to our Abhika as well. Just tell me the answer. Just tell me the answer. You are not audible enough.
She's not speaking.
Why?
Speaking? Yeah, she's speaking.
You are not speaking. You are not audible enough. Boys, what's this? Now girls are scoring.
No.
No, you
Still
are.
not audible.
You are not audible. Then you can call Inakshi. Yes, you can call Inakshi.
Where is Inakshi?
Yes.
Inakshi, yeah.
Yeah. Inakshi, tell me the answer.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me the answer. How are you?
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. The answer is a hole.
I'm not. I don't want to agree with your statement.
Hmm.
Then how would you respond?
Hmm.
So, boys, the answers from girls are perfect. What can you put in a bucket to make it weightless? That is hard. Please give an applause to all the people. Okay, so girls scored very well. Boys, the next is your chance. Your chance, and you should score. Yeah, eho is your answer. Next question. It's very simplest question, very funny question. It's not, don't take it as a serious question. What is the longest word in the dictionary? What is the longest word in the dictionary? Who is that man?
Which one?
Karthik. You can call Karthik. Middle chat box, second row. First, yeah. Karthik, tell me, what is the longest word in the dictionary? It's an odd question.
Like
Yeah.
biological anything.
It's not a biological, it's just a funny thing. Don't take it as a serious question.
I don't know. Sir.
I want to see the comment as well, ma'am. Okay, then it's fine. Then unmute Sai. I want to see chat box.
Do you know her size?
Sai, middle row, second row, middle, second row, second one.
Middle, second row, second.
He just got it. Then you can call Tejas as well. Yeah.
Tejas.
Yes, Tejas, tell me. Don't take it as a serious like pneumonia, ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. It's a funny question. Yes, tell me, Tejas.
Yeah, it is miles.
It's.
SMILES.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Do you need any helpline?
No.
We can go for a helpline as well. I just call other. The first one. Yeah. Who's that? Vajan.
Vajan.
Yes, call Vajan. Don't take it as a human or microscope. It's called categories. Okay?
Hello?
Yeah, hello, Arjun. How are you?
Fine.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Longest.
Yeah.
The longest word in the dictionary is longest.
Longest?
Longest is the
Okay. No, it's a funny question. So whatever the Tejas discussed, that was right. It's smiles or miles. Smiles or miles. Because when we are taking the smiles, a mile between each is. A mile between each is. Smiles is correct somewhat. Smiles because there is a mile between each is. I told you. Okay. I got it. Now the mark has been equally distributed to our girls team as well as the boys team. Okay, now the next question. Tell me. What is 3 by 7 chicken, 2 by 3 cat, and 2 by 4 goat? Next level knowledge. What is 3 by 7 chicken, 2 by 3 cat, and 2 by 4 goat? Girl, no. Pulsar, no. So immediately 2 by okay. Enamel, that is right. And Sahil, that is right. Just call enamel. And before that, there is one comment. Extreme left. Just put down. Yeah, just scroll down. Darshana enamel. Just unmute Darshana and enamel. And Sahil, that was the right answer. Tell me, what is the 3 by 7 chicken and 2 by 3 cat and 2 by 4 goat? Enamel, tell me the answer. Yes, Vajan, that is right. Fadil, that is right. Yes, tell me, how are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also doing great. Tell me the answer to this question.
The Chicago.
How did you get the Chicago?
No, the chicken, it's 7 letters, so out of 7, it's 3.
Yeah.
CHC. Then cat, it is 3 letters, out of 3, 2 letters will come. CA.
Then?
And got 4 letters, out of 4, 2 will come.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now we can call our Darshana as well. Who's that? Darshana?
It was Darshana, but she's gone.
Okay, she's gone. So, Fadil and Ahmad, Abu Safir and so many people comment the right answer and Namor. That is the right answer because Chicago, out of 7 word, 3 means chic and out of 3, 2 means kya. Kya, C-A, kya. Okay. And out of 4, 2 means go. That is Chicago.
Slow class.
Brain teaser is over. Brain teaser is over. This is enough. This is enough. I need to see the comment section. Just minimize that. I want to see the. Yes, now we are going. Sir, we are Albert Einstein. I don't think so. You are my students, right? I was just making fun. Okay, troll, sir, troll mode. Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to activate the exam. So it's time to activate the exam. There will be 5 questions. Each questions carry 2 marks. And if your answers get perfect or correct, you will get 5 multiplies 2 is equal to 10 marks. Vishnu Narayan, tell me. Sir, I will send a trophy photo in your Instagram. Okay, well, you should send today itself. Okay. Now we are going for attend the exam. And who was that? The person to whom we already talked the first time. The person to whom we already talked the first time. Hanna or something, right? Hema. Hema, do you know how to attend the exam? Hema, do you know how to attend the exam? Just unmute Hema. Hema, tell me how was your first biology session?
It was nice, sir. I could understand what you
Okay.
explained.
Okay. Do you need any kind of suggestion to improve my skills or teaching skills?
No.
Do you have any suggestion? You can tell me. I don't have any problem.
No, it is really nice.
Okay. So thank you so much for coming. Do you know how to attend the exam?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay. So just go and attend the exam. Just go and attend the exam. Once you finish the exam, I need to see your result as well. I need to see your exam result. Okay? And after the completion of exams, those who want to talk with me, those who want to clear your doubts, those who want to take the screenshot of the slides that you missed, you can stay here and I will be showing you all the things. You are so jealous about your colleague. That's none other than algorithm.
Yeah, that's me.
That's me. That's you. Instead, I will give you a punishment the next time. You are laughing in between my class, right? Rinser. You are laughing, right? I will give you a punishment. So just go and attend your exam, my dears, and I want to see your marks. Just show your scores in the comment section or classroom session.
How was the session, sir? How was this session?
Are you asking to me?
Yeah, I'm asking
Why?
you. Was it okay? Like, did you enjoy your session?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I don't have any problem.
Why are you surprised?
I'm not desperate. I'm so happy. I'm always happy. Okay.
Okay.
10 on 10 from Shruti and 10 on from Chaitanya. Okay. 10 on 10 from Ahmad. Yes, Anya, you got it. You got it. That is right. There is a clue in that some of the questions. Yes, 10 on 10 Abu. And rest of the people, I need to see your comment as well. I got 10 on 10 from Hema. Okay. Hema got 10 on 10. Okay, congratulations. Vishnuvardhan 10 on 10. Sanya got it. Just see the comment. Just read the comment of Sanya. Extreme left. Sir, I think that's...
You want me to read it?
No, you should understand that. Because that much of trick I made in that exam, you know.
Oh, that's not trick. You're helping them.
No. Okay, 10 on 10, 10 on 10, 10 on 10. Okay, 8 on 10. Okay, 8 on 10. It's okay, it's okay. I'll share the answer keys today and you can cross check that answers. Otherwise, I will, if it is needed, I will discuss the answers in the next session. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to say bye-bye. It's time to say bye-bye, my dears. Those who want to take the screenshot of the slides that you missed, those who want to talk with me, those who want to clear your doubts, it's for a doubt clearance session, and others can leave this session. Bye-bye and good night, and stay tuned with 90 plus my tuition, my dears. You can go and have a tight sleep and have a super nice dreams, my dears. And those who want to talk with me, those who want to take the screenshot of the slides that you missed, just say here and others can leave now. And just say bye-bye to our YouTube friends as well. Just bye-bye. Just say bye-bye to our YouTube friends. Have a good day, sir. Hope you to see you soon. Thank you and bye-bye. Don't worry, Inakshi. Monday I will be taking biology hour. The next week I will take the first classes for you. Monday I will be there. Okay? Yay. Okay. So, ma'am, just minimize all the things. No. We need to check the peoples, those who need any slide on. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yes. So, those who want to take the screenshot of the slides that you missed, you can put in the comment section. Otherwise, you can just give a hand raise. Tell me. Tell me that, my dears. Vishnuvardhan, ma'am. Just unmute Vishnuvardhan. Extreme right. Could you please show the extra
Ask her
questions?
once again.
Hello, do you need any slides?
That's it.
Which one, Vishnu?
Can you split it and go up?
Go up. Which one?
Can you show one? Go up. This one. 95.
95. Okay. This one?
Sir, can you explain the nitrobacteria? because that time the tap was switched off. I took my phone and I was using
It's
it.
okay. There is no, because in your syllabus there is no description regarding whether it is nitrobacteria or rhizobium or blue-green algae. That is not needed. We only need to be absolutely absorbed by our plants. So what the nitrobacter or blue-green algae or rhizobium is doing is that they just convert, because by the thundering activity, by the thunderstorm, the nitrogen, this N3 will be split up, and the split up N3 will be split up, and the split up N3 will be utilized by nitrobacter, and this nitrobacter convert this nitrogen into the usable form by the plants in the form of nitrate or nitrites, or even in the form of ammonia. So ammonia is a form which is harmful to some of the plants. So usually they will convert into NO2 or NO3 forms. NO2 and NO3 forms that can be easily absorbed by our plants. That is the major general idea regarding nitrobacters. Okay?
Okay, sir. Can I explain next slide also?
Next, which one? Yeah, no stock. This is all this because this no stock is algae. This is a filamentous like algae. This is a filamentous like algae. This is also doing the same job like that of our nitrobacter, because these are always present in the ponds, and they have the ability to conduct their own photosynthesis. They have photosynthesis ability is there for this nostoc bacteria, and the major function of this nostoc is that conversion of nitrogen into the usable forms, and the nitrogen can be used by any of the organisms which are available in the pond or the region where the nostoc is living. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, tell me.
So bacteria are also used for making complex tablets.
Complex tablet? Is that a funny question?
No, sir, it's not a funny question. It's from this chapter.
B complex?
No, sir, it's very easy answer.
Dash complex. Just give the options.
Okay, A, vitamin A, B, vitamin B, C, vitamin C.
That is vitamin B complex, man.
That's that only I asked.
That's why I just told you B complex. That is vitamin B complex. Because we used it to say vitamin as B complex.
Sir, on Saturday, in the timetable, it's like 7 o'clock to 8:30. I cannot attend tomorrow's class.
7:30 to 8 o'clock? I don't think so.
7 o'clock, it's in the timetable.
Saturday.
In Saturday class. Yeah,
Tomorrow is a class for you, right?
that's right.
Okay, I will check. I think, yeah, 8:30 in ISD, 8:30 to 10 o'clock. ISD 8:30 to 10 o'clock. There will be a class the same time. Okay, so once you can do is, I think there will be the Arabic classes for you. So contact your admin team or MGM ma'am or Manjusha ma'am today itself about your queries, and they will provide the resolution, or they will provide the answer to that respective query. Okay. Just give a message to your respective 90 plus admin or class teacher, right? Like Ramzia ma'am or Manjusha ma'am today itself, and they will solve that problem of the timing issues. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next one is.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. And those who want to talk with me, those who want to take the screenshot of the slides, you can comment it. Who is that? Hanan. Do you have any doubts? Abana, do you have any doubts? Abana, do you have any doubts? I hope the people those who are here having any doubt doesn't have any doubt. So now it's time to wind up our session. Yes, good night, sweet dreams, and bye bye, my dears. So now thank you so much, my dear 90 plus family children, and thank you so much for your support, Alka ma'am and Reen sir, and thank you so much for your valuable time to spend with me, and thank you so much, my dear students and my dear YouTube friends as well. I want to tell you one thing first of all. You have to be very, because we are living in the AI century, that is artificial intelligence century. We have to be more smart work student or smart work person over the hard working person. What is the meaning of a smart work person? Smart work person is a person is not a person who learn 10 skills at the same time. Smart work person is a person who learns one skill at the same time, but they are utilizing that one skill at different 10 places. So you have to also do like that, and no one is perfect in this world. The way you think you make you perfect, and you have to be very smart work person. And it's time to say bye bye, my dears, and thank you so much for your cooperation, love, care, and affection towards your pulsar and towards this biology class and towards all the 90 plus my tuition faculties. So it's time to say bye bye. Until we meet you again, stay tuned with 90 plus my tuition. Have a tight sleep and have a nice day ahead.